Can you imagine your digital world without WhatsApp in today's time?
नहीं.
Of course not. That's because we're so dependent on the app for all the features it comes with. And this is the reason why company keeps on bringing new features or say updates to the messaging app so that users do not even think about shifting to another platform. Anyway, there are quite a few interesting features which WhatsApp launched this year and a lot of users are not using them or say are not even aware of them. You're viewing India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and in this video, I will tell you about all the features that WhatsApp has launched this year. Please make sure that users do not get to use these features as soon as they are announced. I mean, the company takes a little time in rolling them out. So you might not see these features right away in the messaging app, but expect them to receive them really soon. Let's get started. This year, the company is really focused on improving WhatsApp business app, which was designed keeping small business owners in mind. In a new update, WhatsApp is trying to make business messaging faster and easier. The new update brings reply buttons, letting owners send notifications whenever the items are back in stock, taking feedback from customers in new ways, and many more such things. You may have already heard about WhatsApp Cards. If not, let me tell you. WhatsApp has introduced Cards to its business app, again to make the shopping experience convenient for users and help sellers expand their business. With Cards, people can browse the catalog, select multiple products, and send the order as one message to the business. This will make it simpler for businesses to keep track of order inquiries, manage requests from customers, and close sales. This feature was originally announced last December, but let's hope to receive it soon in India. The much needed feature on WhatsApp was finally announced in March. It is the private and secure calling from the desktop. You know, the use of voice and video calling apps certainly increased amid lockdown. And while we already have these features included in WhatsApp mobile version, it's good that the company is now bringing the same to the desktop version. This way, it becomes easier to make office video calls via WhatsApp while you're working on your computer. Okay, please don't tell me that Pavni, this feature was announced last year, because I do have an update regarding the same. Yes, WhatsApp payments was announced last year, but it has recently gotten live in India. So using this feature, you can send or receive money directly in your bank accounts. The feature works in the same way how you make transactions on apps like Google Pay or say Phone Pay or even Paytm. WhatsApp recently launched a new sticker pack called Vaccines for All with the World Health Organization. This is just a fun feature for people to use while sharing about their vaccination experience with their friends or family. The sticker includes healthcare workers, bandages, people celebrating together after taking a shot. The company anyway tries to bring ways to help people in the corona times. Remember, we also did a video where we explained how people can make use of WhatsApp to access all the COVID-19 related information. If not, then we'll place the link of that video at the corner. You can go and check that out later. Well, that's all for today's video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel and do not miss out on pressing the bell icon as well so that you do not miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching.